Good morning students. Welcome to online teaching session of Academic World School, Bimitra. Today is my fourth lecture and I am going to teach you notices and posters together in one lecture. Okay? So see, I have written here notices and posters. Now what is notice? So I hope you have taken out your notebooks and pen. Take it out and note down what I am writing on the board. A notice is a written or printed news announcement or information. Full stop. So what is a notice? It is a news announcement or information. Any information we want to give it publicly or personally, that is called notice. Okay. Now, where do we write a notice or where is it printed? It is given in a newspaper, magazines, or posted on a notice board. Okay? So, where do we find a notice? We find a notice, it can be printed in a newspaper, it can be printed in a magazine, or even we can post it on the notice board. Especially these happens in the institutions, schools, colleges, it is posted on the notice board. Okay? Now, I have given you the definition what is notice. Now, what are the steps to write a notice? Second thing I will teach you, steps to be kept in mind. Steps to be kept in mind while writing a notice. Okay? While writing a notice. So step number 1. This is a 4 marks question. It will come in your question paper of 4 marks. So every 4 marks question is to be written in 50 words. Remember I taught you advertisement. Okay, so advertisement, notices, posters and invitation and replies. These 4 kinds of question comes of 4 marks. Okay, and you have to attempt any one. So word limit will be 50. Number 2, okay, I'm writing a bit here, wait. Number 1, word limit will be 50. Number 2 will be written in a box. Okay, you have to make a box. Remember we made the box for writing an advertisement. So it will be in a box. Number 3, the language will be very simple. Okay. Number 4, which is very important. Okay. For any information, meeting, event date, comma, time, and date, time, venue, and agenda. So children, pay attention here. Pay attention to this line. Formation for any information. Now there is a meeting, okay, in a school or in any institution among the staff and the head authorities. So when there is a meeting, the notice is circulated. Okay, so the meeting, when the notice is circulated, it should mention the date, the time, and the venue where and on what date and at which place the meeting is to be held. Okay, so this is very important, that date, keep this in mind, date, time, venue, and the agenda. It may be for any meeting, it may be for event, and many more things, okay, is to be mentioned. This is very important. And last but not the least point, remember I told you advertisement is always written in third person. Similarly, notice is also written in third person. Okay, so notice is written in third person. That is, again, he, she, they. Okay, clear? So just go through the notes again, the steps, how to write a notice in 50 words, in a box, third person. The language should be very simple, no complicated language, no complicated sentences. Okay, and it will be written in one paragraph. The language will be very simple and one paragraph. Okay. Then you have to put date, venue, time, and agenda. Okay, and the last one, it is the third person. Clear? Now I will show you the format of writing a notice. How do we write a notice? Remember I showed you the format of writing a letter. Similarly, there is a format for writing a notice. So a notice is always written in a box. Let's make a box. Okay. Now, what will we write a notice for? Let's take a notice for our school. There is an inter-school debate competition to be held in our school where different schools are going to participate. Okay. So, let's take the question. I'm writing it in short. Okay. Inter-school debate competition. Now write a notice for this. Okay. Now, if the name of the school is given in the question, you have to write the same name. If the name of the school is not given in the question, you can write any name, any school name. Okay. So on the top comes the name of the institution. Any institution. If it is given, well. If it is not given, you have to claim your own. Okay. So on the top will come name of the institution. Let's take, I'm writing the name of the institution here. Let's take, and it will come in uppercase. So is it clear, children? This is the name of the institution. Then comes the In parallel you have written the date, and then the topic for which you are writing the notice. Topic is not compulsory to write. You can write it, you cannot write it. It is not compulsory to write. Okay. So the topic was inter-school debate. So I am writing here inter-school debate competition. Okay. Now children, I'll start the notice. So the starting line of a notice varies. Okay, it varies. So for you I am writing here the starting line of notice. How can you start? Starting lines of writing a notice. Okay, number 1, this is to inform all. Okay. Number 2, it is to bring into your kind notice. Okay. This is to be informed. There are many lines you can start and you can write in this way. Okay. This is to inform you all. It is to bring into your kind notice. This is to be informed. Okay. You can even start with the starting line of a question. Suppose the question says that your school is organizing an inter-school debate competition in which your various schools are participating. So you can even start, our school is organizing, or even you can start with the name of the school. Okay, academic world school you can start, or you can even start with the our school is organizing an inter-school debate competition. Okay, like this you are going to start. So here I am taking this line. Okay. I am taking the other one. This is to notify you all. This is to notify you all that a debate, that an inter-school debate competition is going to be held in our school. Okay. Now it is going to be held in our school. You have to mention the date, when, where, and at what time. Okay. And even you can mention how many schools are participating, what will be the rounds. Okay. So it is up to you, as many points or ideas you can connect. You can be creative and this competition. Okay, altogether 15 schools are participating into this competition. Interested, now this is the main line. This is the main line. Okay. Interested person can contact, or you can even write can give their names, to anyone you like, to the class teacher, to the secretary, to the cultural secretary, to the educational secretary, anyone you can write. Okay, to the class teacher latest by the competition is on 3rd May. The notice is issued on 23rd April. So you can mention after 3 days by 26th April so and so. Okay. Once you are done with writing your content, children, you have to remember, as in a letter we write the subscription. Okay. The complimentary clause. So in the same manner you have to put here what? First will be your signature. Listen carefully, this is very important. Signature, name and the designation. Okay. So I am done with my notice writing. Then at the end what I am going to do? I am going to write, I put my signature. Okay. Then the name and then is it clear? So in this manner you have to end your notice. I hope children you understood the notice writing very efficiently, correctly. Okay. Now I have given you some question for notice writing. Please do that. I will be waiting for you and I want to see whether you understood it or not. Now notice writing is complete. I just want to say there are many kinds of notice writing. What kind of notice writing? Kinds. That means kinds of notices. That means the notice can be written on what topic. Okay. So it can be written on cultural activities, as we have written for the debate competition. Okay. It can be written for drama, educational. Okay, it can be written for housing society. Okay, it can be written for sports, picnics, excursion. Okay, lost and found. Lost and found. Suppose somebody has lost his watch in the playground or somewhere and he frames a notice. Okay, so lost and found and many more. Clear? So now let's come to poster writing. Okay. Poster writing. I hope you are doing all these assignments and taking the benefit of the classes, the lectures, children. Yes? Okay. Now, poster writing. What is a poster? Oh, sorry. I'll just erase this also, this notice. Poster writing. What is a poster? What is a poster? posters are notices, advertisement, you are advertising for something, that is also poster, and invitation. All in one. Okay. So this is poster. What is poster? You can say all the three things combined together. Notice, advertisement. We have done advertisement, remember, when we are advertising for something. Okay, that is advertisement. Notices, I have shown you now. What is notice? When you want to convey the message to public or to people. Okay, so advertisement, notice, and invitation. Invitation, when you are inviting somebody on a particular day and date. Okay, so that is invitation. All these three in one is said to be a poster. Okay, so now how do you write a poster, or what are the points which should be kept in mind while writing a poster? Poster also carries 4 marks. Okay, so steps to be kept in mind while writing a poster or making a poster. Okay. Step number 1. Step number 1. Again, the first thing I will say that the word limit should be 50. Okay. Number 2, it should be in a box. Number 3, it is not written in a paragraph. That means not written in a paragraph means what? You cannot write it in continuation. You have to break the sentences. You can use slogans. Slogans, quotations can be used. Okay. Okay. So quotations, slogans can be used. And what else? Most importantly, very important note. Once you have written the poster, you have to write at the bottom issued by. That means who is issued? Whether it is issued by the government. Okay, children, these days you have seen many posters of COVID-19 published and issued by the government. Yes or no? You have seen it? So when we make a poster, it is very, very important to write at the bottom that it is issued by CG government, it is issued by NGOs, it is issued by some welfare society, like that. Okay, so you have to write at the end issued by or published by. These are the points which you have to keep it in mind. Okay, and it will be in 50 words. Okay, now how do you write a 50 words? I will just show you one example of making a poster. Again, in a box. Okay. What question shall we take? Promoting cleanliness in our neighborhood. Okay. Promoting cleanliness in our neighborhood. Now we are living in a society, we are living in a campus, we are living in a housing society, and we promote cleanliness. That means we want to tell everybody that our society is very clean. Okay, so we have to promote cleanliness, and for that we are making a poster so that any outsider coming into our society will come to know that how we keep our society clean. Okay. reading a poster. There is no date for writing a poster. Nothing. Straight away we just make the posters. Okay. You must have seen while walking on the streets, on the pavements, some posters, the pamphlets which is pasted on the walls. Okay, so those are a kind of a poster. So the question was promoting cleanliness in our neighborhood. I am starting it with a quotation. The font size will change. Keep this in mind, student. The font size will change. So I write. You must be thinking why man has written so big font, such a big letters. Why? Because the posters are posted on a wall far away in a distance. Okay, so the font size should be very big so that it is visible from the far away distance. First thing. Second thing, I have written a slogan over here. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay, so why I have written this? It will attract. It should be catchy. Okay, anything attractive. When you are walking and anything attractive attracts you or not. Similarly, it attracts you when you walk away and you will see, okay, colorful picture. What is this? Okay. So cleanliness is next to godliness. Then I am again writing. I will change my font. Stay clean. Stay healthy. Okay. Then my 50 words cannot be completed only by writing the quotations. It won't be. So what do I have to do? I have to write salient features. Salient features. Okay. And then under these features I can put asterisk marks or I can put bullets. I can put arrow mark. Whatever. It's up to you. Okay. And then I write sentences over here. What I need to convey to the public, that I am going to write. This is just making it attractive. What are my main points and ideas that I will write down over here. Okay, and at the end I write issued by. So my salient features, I am writing it for a neighborhood. Okay, society. So I will write here. Keeping the environment clean. Number 2, littering, no garbage. Okay. Use dustbins. Number 4, plant trees on the side of the pavement. Okay, pavements. Number 4, park the vehicles in parking bay. Okay, park the vehicles in parking bay. And last but not the least, keep the society clean. Okay, so these are the main points which I want to convey. So I have written it, I have started it with a quotation to make it attractive so that people will watch and they will read entirely. At the end, what do I have to write? At the end, I have to write issued by. Okay, issued by. Issued by Romila Welfare Society or Association. Okay, so is it clear, children? At the end, what am I going to write? I am writing, it was not visible Rohila Welfare Association. Now is it visible to you? Okay. So this is how we make a poster. So I have taught you two things today, children: writing a notice and poster. Remember the steps of writing a notice. Why do we write a notice? When we want to spread some news or announcement or information to anybody, that is, or even in a public, that is writing a notice. And what is poster? Poster, when we want to convey any message to somebody, and it is a combination of when notices, advertisement and invitations. Okay, posters can be written for many things. Okay, like I wrote a poster for cleanliness. It can be written for donation camps. It can be written for organizing a fete, fun feast. Okay, all these things. So posters, and people will look it and they will follow it. And so notice writing, I gave you the steps. What were the steps of? Let's recall everything now. Okay. Steps of writing a notice. It should be in a box. It should be 50 words. The third person is used. It should be in a simple language. Okay. The format I showed you how to write a notice. On the top it was the name of the institution, then the word notice, and the date alignment to it. Then in one paragraph you are writing, you can start it with any line. This is to notify you all. It is to bring into your kind notice. All these, and then at the end, what is important in a notice while writing the paragraph? The date, time, venue and agenda. These things are important. And once you are done while writing your notice, at the end you write your signature, give your signature, your name and your designation. That was notice. Now here, poster making. Poster making, you can, again, it will be in a box, 50 words. You can use slogans. The font size will keep on changing, and you can use quotation slogans. And to complete it to 50 words, what do you have to do? You have to write salient features, and under that you have to put bullets or asterisk mark, and then you have to complete your sentence. And last but not the least, you have to write issued by so and so company, or whatever you can write. So children, my lecture ends up over here. Again, the same thing I would like to say you, that please do the assignment which has been uploaded on the ERP. I hope you have done the assignment of the previous lectures. Do this one also and submit it within 3 days. Thank you.